Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Radivan Nouruzzaman with my student number 123200007 and 2. In this video, I would like to explain about the FD for our application, which is Eden Paradise for Artists. Okay, so I would like to explain the study case of our application, which is due to the widespread theft of works from artists. Many artists who open commission as their income are very nervous because the work that they mean to sell are stolen easily. So from that problem, we thought of making an application that could solve that problem. Eden Paradise for Artists is an application that we designed and is expected to help artists so they don't have to worry about theft of their work anymore. In Eden, we have installed a feature to not be able to take screenshot or recordings, and also to share can only be done in this application only, and to be shared out only in the form of output links, so that security will be centered on this application, which means it will make every single content that exists there will be very secure from everyone, because you couldn't screenshot it, you couldn't record it, so it will be more original and more safe. In Eden, we also offer features that can facilitate commissions for artists by providing a place for them to promote themselves through their work. There is also a feature for those who intend to be involved in this world, which contains video tutorials and suggestions from artists who have experience, so as to build those who intend to join this world. By me, by the mean of this world was the world of commission, or the world of artists. So this is our background for the application. We want to help artists who make commission to their fans or customer. Next, we have a DFD, which is this one is the level 0. As you can see, there are three main things here, main component, which is user, hidden database, and also display of art. And by this DFD, we could assume, or we could uh, explain that there will be needed the user will need an account to access many features of Eden. So here, as you can see, user will have an account to access the Eden database. Also, user that have an account can request art from specific artists from Eden database. So from artists that actually exist in Eden database. And then after that, after the request, of course, user can also receive an art privately as well as publicly, either from his commission or from another artist that want to share their arts to promote their skill. Also, lastly, Eden will recommend to display your own art, or the one that you created, or both. So the demand that art will be displayed, which is very important. Next, we have the DVD level 1, which you can see it's much more complex than level 0 because it was more specific. So here there are 5 main things or component, which is user, art displayed, genre, search by genre, and also art display. There is also list of artists, list of arts, and also list of titles. So it will adding from 5 to 8 important things. Okay, from that DFD level 1, we can summarize the information to 5 points, which was user will need an account to access the displayed art, and also can request display art or request art to be displayed. The user also can request an art by the genre, which means they can search specific arts from the genre. Then the displayed art will have their genre listed. It will also have the list of title, arts, and also artists that created the art. So here, as you can see, the art display will have all of this information. So when we actually access it, we will know who was the artist behind that, what the titles, and what kind of art that it actually give us, so we can actually see. And also the search function can search art based on the genre of it have. Here we can search by its genre, so we can search a lot of things, a lot of arts by the genre. Next is TFT level 2. This is much more specific, and this is focusing more on the commission part of the user. So as we explained previously, user can request an art, which is will get art, and then the database will give the art to the get art, so it will be given to the user. So user will request and database will give it to user. And also the art genre still exists, and art genre is having a list of artists and also the list of genre itself. So we actually knew the information behind of each art, or to be more exact, the specific art that being displayed. And from that, we can actually uh, compile it to 5 point again, which is user can request an art in the application, which is of course it's still something that we actually said previously since the DFT level 1, but it's much more specific because now we actually know the art will be taken from an existing database in Eden or in the application. And then after taking an art from the database, the program will send it to user that requested it previously. And every art will have information about their list of genre and also the list of artists that created the art itself. Next, we also have the Trello link for our project. And I actually already opened it, and we can see this is the things that we actually created on the Trello. So there is a to-do list. This is what we want to do. And then post-reference searching. So we need to search an idea and everything. Creating the source code for the program so the application can be run. We will do testing after that. So we could know what we need more for the application and how to make it very efficiently used. Then we go to the next step, which is finalizing, fixing an existing bug and also problem that exists in our application. Also, most likely we will add some features as well that will be needed for artists, for the commission of artists, for the commission from artists actually. And then we will complete it, the application, and we launch it on the Google Play Store. That's about it. I think that's all from my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.